glass
This
elevator.
is the glass elevator at the Curris
That's the
Center.
Curris Center at Murray State University, Murray, Kentucky.
And look, we don't have a fan.
Yeah, no fan. Here we go. Let's listen to the motor. And look out the window. DC elevator. Let's look out going down. Let's take it one more ride. Go up to 3. Press the door close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a fire alarm in the elevator.
And there you are for fire alarm enthusiasts.
This is a nice elevator. This was installed by the fine folks at DC Elevator, Mike himself. See, DC Elevator. And we'll listen to that rocket ship when the fan come back on.
Wow.
That fan is obnoxious.
Yeah.
Give him his keys back. Button already went out.
Alright. Takes forever to close.
There it goes, and it's got the MSU shield on the door.
Alright, that's it.